Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam. Bottom line up front, this is the SIYI FT24 transmitter that you could possibly win. More details on this and what you get with it and how to win it. But first I want to say thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. PCBWay makes custom printed circuit boards. That's what PCB stands for. They make thousands of types of circuit boards and thingies that go on circuit boards, and they even have a service where they will put the thingies on the circuit boards for you so that it's ready to rock and roll and beep and bop and boop and sweep your floor when it arrives at your door, and that rhymes. But if PCBs aren't your thing, they also offer rapid prototyping services, and to include sheet metal bending, CNC machining, 3D printing, and even injection molding, and in various materials. So if you're an inventor like me, you can send them your design and get a rapid prototype rapidly made rapidly to your door. Check out PCBWay.com for more details. I'll have a link to them down in the description of this video, and I think there's a $5 coupon if you're a first-time person there. Check it out if you're interested. No pressure from me, though. Okay, back to the video. Now, check the description of this video for the full details, just in case I forget something as I'm filming right now. If you want to win this guy, leave one comment down below, just one. If you leave two, I might just kick you out. You might be out of there, okay? Because I'm going to use a random comment picker to select all the comments, all right? So I'm going to say a week from the posting of this video, so you got to be on top of it. I'm going to post another video announcing the winner, and so you need to watch that video to know if you've won or not. That way I get you to watch two videos. But also that's, I got to announce the winner to everybody, so you got to check that next video that's going to be coming out. And I'm going to have two names that I select. One's going to be the winner, and then the other one will be the backup winner in case the first winner doesn't show up, which actually happened in this last giveaway that we did. So what are you going to get? This is the SIYI FT24. It's actually not a very good radio, I'm going to be honest with you, but it's just been sitting around, and this baby has got to go. But if you don't have a radio at all, this sure is a lot better than just pretending you have a radio in your hand. And by radio, of course, I mean transmitter or controller or remote control. Because if you don't know what this is, I don't know really why you're here. So if you don't have one of these and you really want to get into RC stuff, you might just win this one. And it's not amazing, but it's pretty good. I have a review video about this, where I said basically don't buy it because there are better options for the money. I think right now on the SIYI website, it's showing it's $157 US, which is just a lot for this radio. But here's so it's bulky. I'm not going to go into the review. I'll have maybe a link to that video down below the description of this video. But what you're going to get is the transmitter itself. It doesn't come with batteries. I think it's like 18650 batteries that need to go in there. And then it does come, though, or I'm going to send it with what they call the FM30, and that's like a long range. It's their version of a long range radio control link. It's kind of like the shape of a Crossfire, like a JR module, I think that is what they call that. It's also going to come with two rather large receivers. So these ones are supposed to be very capable. They have two antennas on here and a lot of servo ports. So that could be great if you're doing an airplane or a quadcopter, but kind of big for a quadcopter. And then it's going to have one little serial receiver for a quadcopter. And I'm pretty sure this all works properly. It's been a while since I've used it, to be totally honest with you. But that's what you're going to get, and it's probably going to work. And you're probably going to like it, too. Oh, shipping. With shipping, if you are in the continental United States, I will cover the cost of shipping. If you are outside of the continental United States or CONUS, it gets very expensive to ship stuff. So I will cover half of the shipping to send this to you. And honestly, it's probably going to cost a lot because this is a pretty bulky radio. But that's what I said I'm going to do, so I'm going to do it. But I don't know honestly if it'll be worth it to you, to be honest. Again, check the description down below this video to make sure that you read through all of the details in the giveaway. Leave one comment, come back here in a week, and we're going to determine the winner randomly, and that's it. Have fun. Have a great day, everybody. Love you. See ya. Bye.
We get bars in our goggles that show.
Thumbnail time.